Guys, I cracked my windshield. You can't see it though from the outside. I have my windshield tinted, 20% ceramic and then 5% strip at the top, but you can kind of see it this way. So sad. So I'm going to talk about how much it costs to replace a windshield on a Scat Pack. And mine does have the lane departure and the sensor in the front, so they work together. So it's gonna be a little bit more than usual. All right, guys, so as you can see, there it is. It started off as a small little chip and it didn't split for the longest, but yeah, I have to get a new windshield. Oh man, guys, check this out. So you can see right through. I need to get this tinted. Oh man, I'm gonna be blind. I'm gonna be blind in this thing. So it was a total of $443. And I can't roll the windows down for the next 5 days. Can't wash it either. So, but yeah, $443, and it's gonna be more. But went to a guy here at the dealership. One place even quoted me $575, but yep, looks a lot better.